This is an Alberta emergency alert. City of Calgary has issued an overland flood alert. This alert is in effect for Calgary. Portions of the following communities are under mandatory evacuation: Beltline, Bonnybrook, Bowness, Bridgeland Industrial, Chinatown, Eau Claire, Cliff Bungalow, Deer Run, Discovery Ridge, Downtown East Village, Elbow Park, Erlton, Inglewood, Hillhurst, Mission, Montgomery, Quarry Park, Rideau, Riverbend, Riverdale, Roxboro, Elboya, Sunnyside, Victoria Park, Windsor Park. If you are in the affected area, evacuate immediately. Avoid rivers, valleys and low-lying areas. Move to high ground. Follow the directions of local authorities. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.